Hi guys, I'm Nicole. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but today I'm back and I'm going to show you how I make my beaded bracelets. So let's get going. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this elastic string with a needle on it. It's doubled so it can withstand, and it has a knot on the other end. I'm going to be using these beads, pink and purple. And you guys can use any color that you want. As long as you have fun with it, it doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna be using this wooden block with a nail in it, so it can help me by holding the other end so I don't accidentally drop it or mess up. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the nail and start threading the beads through with the needle. I'm gonna be doing a pattern as well. So as you see here, I got a clear purple, a clear pink, and then this weird shaped purple that's a darker shade. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these little beads that I have that are also pink and purple. Okay guys, so I finished putting the beads in. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the nail. Here's what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and move the beads down a little and then use the ends to tie together. So let's make the knot. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the extra string so I can also get the needle out. And there we have it. That's a beaded bracelet. I like how this beaded bracelet turned out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it to my mom or keep it. And you can wear it, and since it's doubled, it has a less chance of breaking easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys can look in the description box below to find out where I got these items. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload my next video. Bye!